Hi guys, what's up? Today we're back again with another video, and today we're going to make a delicious mango cheesecake. Yes guys, if you never hear about mango cheesecake, come inside my kitchen and let me show you how I make my mango cheesecake. I hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel if you have not as yet, hit that notification bell for all my newest video, and remember to put God first in everything you do. In the pan, then I'm going to add my butter to it, and I'm going to mix it up till it becomes crumbled. I'm going to take my baking pan and I'm going to put it in the bottom like that. Now I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to spread it all over in the bottom of the pan, just like that. And I'm going to place it inside the refrigerator for like 10 minutes. Just like that, guys. Voila. Hey guys, because I'm making mango cheesecake for my birthday. Yes, so you know you need a star of the dessert, mango. So as you can see, I'm peeling some mangoes here. So I'm going to puree it to put inside my cheesecake. I don't know if you guys ever have mango cheesecake, but it's the bomb. Yes, so this is like my birthday present. So I'm treating myself with something nice, something I will enjoy, something tasty. So I'm just peeling the mango. I couldn't get no better mango than this in the shop today. I don't know why, for some reason, but I'm going to work with what I have. just rough cutting it. So for this mango cheesecake, guys, you will need eggs, sour cream, the cream cheese, some heavy cream, some almond extract, and some white sugar. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to put the mango inside my neutral blender to puree. Cheese, guys, so I'm going to use half of it. So all the cream cheese come with measurement on it. Each slice is 8 ounces. So there you go, half black of my cream cheese inside the mixer.
Because I know after when you make the batter, I'm going to start to lick the bowl.
Oh, so that's why you're laughing.
Yes. My happy place is to lick the bowl.
So I'm just going to mix it. Remember, guys, when you're baking, always have all your ingredients at room temperature. So as you can see, the cheese is all melted out. I'm going to turn on the mixer. And I'm going to add.
I'm just putting the batter in the remote right now.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
I'm going to add a cup of granulated sugar. So guys, after you add the sugar to the cream cheese, you're going to slow it down. You're going to scrape down the side because you want to incorporate everything together like that. Start back your mixer. So now, guys, I'm going to add 4 room temperature eggs, one at a time. cup of sour cream. Sour cream gives the cheesecake a little bit of tangness to it. Sour cream. So now I'm going to slow it down. Stop it actually. Raise it up. Scrape everything together. Close it back down. Beat it for another 2 minutes. So today I'm going to incorporate some heavy cream, heavy whipping cream to my cheesecake. It's optional, guys. You can use it or you don't have to use it. So I'm just going to add it little by little inside my cheesecake mix. To give it that fluffiness. Why not? You're doing cheesecake, you're eating it once in a while, go to full 100. Don't leave back nothing. So full every cream. I'm going to turn up the mixer a little bit more to whip it inside it. Look how fluffy that is, guys. Oh my God, happy birthday to me. So I'm going to stop my mixer. Open it. Take off my spatula. You're dying to lick it, right, Kizzy? Just now.
You licking before me. Now I just feel left out.
So what I'm going to do, as you can see, my mango puree. Look how lovely is that, guys. Remember, I didn't add no water to the mango, just the mango by itself. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to add it inside the cheesecake butter. Butter. Butter.
Butter.
Okay, Kissy, you win. I'm going to take it off the machine so we can work with it better. And I'm going to fold it in. I'm not going to mix it. I'm going to fold it in, guys. So now, guys, I'm just going to transfer it to my baking pan. Just like that. Wow. I can't wait.
Can't wait to eat it. It's been a long time since I never ate some cheesecake.
Well, you're having it tomorrow for my birthday.
That's a birthday cake.
So that's it, guys. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to place it inside my oven. 350-degree oven for an hour. So my cheesecake is finished, guys. So I'm just going to remove it from the oven. Guys, you know when you bake cheesecake, you cannot cut it the same time. You have to leave the cheesecake to rest before you try to cut inside it. But I'm going to cover it with some foil paper and put it inside of the fridge till tomorrow morning for my birthday. Voila, look how lovely is that, guys. Mango cheesecake. I'm thinking if I should make a topping for it or not. What do you think?